Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad only charges when you hold the cable at a specific angle, it's likely that the charging port has become damaged or worn out. This issue can occur due to frequent plugging and unplugging of the cable, which can weaken the connections inside the port. If left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage, making it impossible to charge your device at all, which could ultimately result in data loss or a complete device failure. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a new charging port compatible with your Lenovo Ideapad. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your Ideapad. Be careful to work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the battery. You will need to remove any screws securing the port in place. Typically, these are small Phillips screws. Remember to keep track of the screws as you remove them, as you will need them for reassembly. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the port using your tweezers. Take care not to pull on the cables too hard, as this can damage nearby components. Now, carefully lift out the old charging port from its housing. Replace it with a new charging port, ensuring it is seated correctly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are secure. After that, replace the screws you removed earlier, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back cover of the Ideapad by pressing down firmly around the edges until you hear the clips click back into position. Finally, power on your device and test the charging port by plugging in the charger at various angles to ensure it works properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid bending the charging cable excessively and ensure that you are using a compatible charger. Regularly check the port for any debris or dust that may impede the connection. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.